Why doesn't print work in a lambda? Why doesn't this work? Is this not a single statement, or is it something else? The documentation seems a little sparse on what is allowed in a lambda.
A lambda's body has to be a single expression. In Python 2.x, print is a statement. However, in Python 3, print is a function, and a function application is an expression, so it will work in a lambda. You can, and should, for forward compatibility smile use the backported print function if you are using the latest Python 2.x.
In cases where I am using this for simple stubbing out, I use this, which works perfectly.
What you've written is equivalent to, which also results in a syntax error. Python doesn't let you assign a value to print in 220. In Python 3 you could say, and it would work because they've changed print to be a function instead of a statement.
You can do something like this. Create a function to transform print statement into a function. And print it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.